Alright guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be making some jellies. Without further ado, let's begin. Alright, let's begin. So first, let's delete our default cube, Shift A, add a cylinder. Now we're gonna scale this down on the Z by 0.5. And now let's begin. So first, let's move it up on the Z by 1. Maybe move it up on the Z by 0.5. Okay, there we go. So now it's on the ground. And now let's select one face right here. Skip 3, select the next one. Now you can do the Control Shift plus technique like this. Then we can scale this outwards, Shift Z. Don't forget Shift Z. There we go. This is pretty good. So now we can subdivision surface and then loop cut and bring it down. So now we can move this up, scale it. And don't forget to loop cut in the middle so that we have a little bit more control of how much we want it to be puffy or something. I'm gonna have it for this much, okay? And last thing that I like to do to make it look a little better is to select the bottom inner edges like this. Make sure it's all selected and scale at Shift Z to make it look a little bit more connected and not separated down here, okay? So now let's increase the levels of the viewport, shade smooth, and now let's move it up first. Now add a cylinder, scale it on the Z, make it a little thin, scale it Shift Z, and then select the top face, bottom face, inset, and then now we're gonna bring it down, inset, extrude it on the Z, and then Control plus. Scale it Shift Z. Let's move this up. So now let's scale this outwards a little bit and then scale this inwards. This looks pretty good. So now we can add a subdivision surface, loop cut right here, slide it out, and this, sorry, not there. Up at the bottom, slide it down here as well, and slide it up. And at the bottom, don't forget to inset so that there's no ridgy lines. As well as the top, as you can see, let's slash. Right here, you can also see that there's ridges, so you can inset for the first option. Then next we can loop cut so that the lines that is at the bottom and the top is more clear, as well as loop cutting and sliding it to the top. And for some final touches, we can also loop cut it and bring it down here, and also right here. Okay, so now let's shade smooth, slash back, move this down, and there you go. Now let's add some materials. Actually, let's move this up first. Okay, let's add some materials. This is gonna be pretty easy, so we can just go to here and material properties, new, and then we're gonna make the base color whatever color you want. Now I'm gonna go with a kind of peach color, but more on the red side. I'm not really professional at colors. Like people say like, oh, this is rose, this is whatever. And I'm like, it's just red. Jokes aside, yeah, about this much. And then lower the roughness. We don't want to lower it completely because you'll see in a moment. And we want to increase the transmission right here. So now the reason I said we don't want to lower the roughness completely is because I've inspected some jellies and I found out that it isn't 100% transparent like glass or so. So like maybe 0.1 would be good. 0.1. This looks a little bit better. Okay. I think I might want to adjust this a little bit. Okay. Now the rest, let's just add a plane for some final touches. Maybe give it a PBR. Right here, I'm just gonna do it real quick. Bam. Don't forget to turn this off. Oh, now if you don't get what you just saw right there, I just added a PBR material. Now I've covered a video on making PBRs, but so you can go watch it. I might make a remake of that video. But anyways, there we go. We got our jelly. You can also go to cycles to make it actually transparent, because Eevee doesn't actually make it transparent. And you can change this to CPU to GPU. And there we go. So that should be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Actually, last video is the pencil video. It did much better than I expected, so I want to thank you all. Anyways, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye. Alright, let's begin. So this video is going to be, oh wait, you forgot. Okay, there we go. Alright, let's begin. So this video is going to be a little bit shorter than before. So yeah, anyways, let's begin. Wait. Alright, let's begin. Now this video is going to be a little bit simple like the pencil video. So yeah, why you need to say that? Why?